Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add Square as a payment method to your Wix website. If you want to start accepting payments through Square, the process is quick and easy. Let's walk you through the steps. First of all, you have to go to wix.com, log into your account and go to your website dashboard. Then from the left hand menu, like somewhere here, you will find the option called settings. You have to tap on the settings, then scroll down and select accept payments. You can log in using your Google and etc. In the list of payment providers, find Square, then you have to click connect. You will be prompted to log into your Square account and enter your credentials and click sign in. Now you have to authorize your access, then make sure your active payment method, like ensure that Square is marked as your active payment provider. Now you are all set to start accepting payments. And if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.